I'd like to ask you whether or not you recognize that exhibit. Feel free to open up the envelope.
Yes, I do.
And what do you recognize that to be?
This is a disc containing a phone call made by Adam Montgomery, which I have listened to, and it actually has my signature on it.
Your signature?
Yes.
Now, let me ask you, with regards to that particular, it's got your signature on this disc itself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me ask you, with regards to that particular call, is that an entire call, or is that a portion of a lawfully recorded call that you listened to?
I believe this is a portion of a call that's longer. It's an 8-minute call. I believe this is shorter than that.
Have you heard all of the original recorded call?
Yes, I have.
Okay. With regards to what you listened to on that particular CD, is that accurate in terms of that portion of the call that you heard originally is unchanged for the part of it that's on that CD?
That is accurate, yes, sir.
So that this is a small piece of the whole?
Correct.
Also, with regards to that call, separate from that, is there any sort of visual component to that call on that disc as you reviewed it? Basically, is there a transcript of what is said in the recording as you're listening?
Yes.
Have you reviewed that transcript, the words that are on the page?
Yes, I have.
Is that accurate for that particular phone call?
Yes, it is.
Is it accurate for the identifying properly Adam Montgomery's voice?
Yes.
Is it accurate for identifying the generally that he was called another individual and that person's voice?
Yes.
This time, Your Honor, I'd ask the court to strike exhibit number 156 and be entered as a full exhibit.
Any objection?
Subject to the prior conference at the bench.
All right, the ID is stricken and it's entered as a full exhibit.
Thank you. Detective Larochelle, with regards to this particular CD, I've preloaded the contents of this onto an area of the drive, and it's my understanding without defense objection, Your Honor, I'm going to play that recording now. What I would like you to do, please, Detective, is to be able to listen to the entire recording, and then I may have some questions for you as we go through, okay?
Okay.
Detective, my eyes are failing me with regards to it. Is there a button on there for view to say full screen?
About halfway down.
Or more? This it?
Yeah, I believe so.
Oh, thank you. Play this one.
Yo, like you buy it and sell right now. Yeah, you didn't see that you got the money yet? No, not yet. I just wasted this little bit of money. How much did you put on this? Don't tell me what trade they put money on there like that, though. Nah, I just put like $25. Alright, yeah, that's even a little crazier than I was gonna pay you to do, but alright. Yeah, so whatever. I'll stay on the phone right now for this. So I just had my lawyer send me to body me with like I just got like 800 pages of discovery. I think they're up to like 5,000 pages now or something like that. And she was like doing like a roller coaster. Like so people come up with and some of the people make one dude one police out like on the way and carry like, oh my god, it's like a roller coaster. She was like, oh my god, I hope this kid didn't do this, and then it turned out to be nothing, and then oh my god, I hope he didn't do this, and then it turned out to be nothing. Like you got dude was like he gave a report to the police and was like, oh, my friend, he passed away, but he was very cool with Adam. Told me Adam gave his daughter to him to bury by the river and he brings to the spot. They had the FBI and everybody else there digging up the river, dude. I'm like, is this
for a minute. That voice just and was on that transcript indicated with Adam saying that they wasted their time. Is that Adam Montgomery's voice?
Yes, it is.
With regards to the search by the river, I believe you just testified a moment ago on direct that there was a search by the river, correct?
Yes, there was.
And you also testified that there were searches involving the FBI. Is that also?
Yes.
Continue on.
Sure they have to, I'm sure they have to take everything that's said to them, no matter how outlandish, seriously, and they have to do their due diligence. But it's, you know, I can get that, I can grasp that, right? But dude, my friend who died, who is cool as Adam, you don't even know what your friend's name was. Told me that it was a very good person that was here, that was, what the you just, even like, way to just waste taxpayers' money, I guess, dude, let's get, I don't know, bro, like, I just feel like that's just so, like, yeah, outlandish, bro, like, there's no other way to describe it, it's like, all right, I guess, yeah, whatever, do your due diligence, I guess, whatever, but that's just, it seems so bizarre to me that you're gonna just think about how much money that you're wasting and an effort to prove something. I get it. You're trying to prove a case. Okay, I understand that. Do that. But at what cost, man? Like you're just gonna chase down people that call in from Arizona and said, oh, I seen that child here at this restaurant, you're gonna fly out to the restaurant to get video surveillance? It just seems, I don't know, it seems like it's going, like, to an extent that, like, it's fantasy almost, like, I don't know, instead of just considering other options, you're just gonna take nut jobs that are calling because they want limelight for 2 seconds because somebody might have known me or seen me in passing or whatever. Oh, I know that kid. Let me tell you about this and that, and just I don't know, man. I don't.
Captain Larry Shell. You heard the defendant say on there that they just wasted their time, you know, with regards to searches. Were those some of the searches that you told us that you were involved in?
Yes.
And when you heard him describe in that call saying that it was just a way to waste taxpayers' money, dude, was that transcript accurate as to his words?
Yes.
When you heard the defendant say, just think about how much money you're wasting in an effort to prove something, is that part of the transcript accurate?
Yes, it is.
And is that what you heard said by Adam Montgomery?
Yes, it is.
And when you heard the defendant say, I get it, you're trying to prove a case, kudos to you, but at what cost, man? You're just going to chase down people from Arizona. Is that part of the transcript accurate?
Yes, it is.
And the tip that you described for us a moment ago that you worked on from Surprise, Arizona, is that the tip that you chased down?
Yes, it is.
Do you agree with what the defendant had said in the call, that your work to find Harmony was a waste of time and money?
We have an objection. Hold on. The objection is sustained.
Captain Larochelle, with regards to the transcript that you've just taken us through, is that a fair and accurate account of the defendant's statements as you recognize them to be?
Yes, it is.
Thank you, Captain. I have no further questions for you. Defense may.